Crash course on Germany. With its rich history and technology, Germany is a destination for both culture and science enthusiasts. Germany. Germany is a country with a rich history and a strong economy. It is known for its technological innovations, such as the invention of the automobile and contributions to modern physics. It is also a popular destination for culture and history enthusiasts, with a wealth of museums, art galleries, and historical landmarks. One interesting example of Germany's technological advancements is the country's role in the development of renewable energy. Germany is a leader in the field of solar power, and has made significant investments in wind power and other forms of renewable energy. This has helped to reduce the country's dependence on fossil fuels and increase its energy independence. Another interesting example is Germany's cultural heritage. The country is home to numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Cologne Cathedral, the Bauhaus School, and the Wurzburg Residence. These sites offer visitors a glimpse into Germany's rich history and cultural achievements. Top 12 German attractions for global visitors. 1. The Brandenburg Gate. One of Germany's most famous landmarks, the Brandenburg Gate is a symbol of the country's reunification and serves as a monument to peace. 2. Neuschwanstein Castle. This fairy tale castle in Bavaria is a popular tourist destination, known for its stunning architecture and picturesque location. 3. The Berlin Wall. Although much of the wall has been dismantled, visitors can still see sections of it at the Berlin Wall Memorial and other sites around the city. 4. The Black Forest. This forested region in southwest Germany is known for its scenic beauty, hiking trails, and traditional cuisine. 5. Oktoberfest. This annual beer festival in Munich is one of the largest and most famous in the world, drawing millions of visitors each year. 6. The Rhine River. This scenic river flows through Germany, offering visitors the chance to take a river cruise and explore historic towns and castles along the way. 7. The Holocaust Memorial. Located in Berlin, this somber memorial honors the victims of the Holocaust and serves as a reminder of the dangers of intolerance and hatred. 8. Heidelberg Castle. This historic castle overlooks the city of Heidelberg and is known for its impressive Renaissance architecture. 9. The Berlin Museum Island. This collection of 5 museums in Berlin is home to a vast array of art and artifacts, including the famous bust of Nefertiti. 10. The Zugspitze. This mountain in the Bavarian Alps is the highest peak in Germany and offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. 11. The Romantic Road. This scenic route through Bavaria takes visitors past historic towns, castles, and picturesque countryside. 12. The Dresden Frauenkirche. This beautiful church in Dresden was destroyed during World War II and rebuilt in the decades since, serving as a symbol of the city's resilience and determination. A poem. Germany, land of innovation and art, where history and technology do impart a wealth of cultural riches to explore, and a proud heritage that's worth much more. From the Brandenburg Gate to Neuschwanstein, Germany's attractions are simply divine. With the Black Forest and Oktoberfest too, there's always something new to do. So let us raise a toast to this great land, with its stunning landscapes and monuments grand. Germany, we honor you with all our hearts, for your contributions to science and the arts. A song. Verse 1. Germany, land of innovation and design. From the automobile to the power of the mind. A place of culture and history so rich, with so much to see and do that simply pitch. Chorus. Germany, land of opportunity. From the Brandenburg Gate to Neuschwanstein. A country with a heart so true. We honor you, Germany, with all we do. Verse 2. In Berlin, the wall is now just a memory. But the Holocaust Memorial is a poignant legacy. The Frauenkirche stands proud in Dresden's square, a symbol of resilience through war and repair. Chorus. Germany, land of opportunity. From the Brandenburg Gate to Neuschwanstein. A country with a heart so true. We honor you, Germany, with all we do. Bridge. The Rhine River flows through the land. The romantic road is oh so grand. Museums and castles to explore. Germany's treasures are hard to ignore. Chorus. Germany, land of opportunity. From the Brandenburg Gate to Neuschwanstein. A country with a heart so true. We honor you, Germany, with all we do. Outro. Germany, we thank you for all you've shared. For the wonders and experiences we've dared. May your culture and innovations inspire. For generations to come, you'll never tire. Asterisk asterisk, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Germany has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Germany, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.